Hey, if you have a 4th gen Ram with a gas engine in it and you need to put a fuel pump in it, you might be stressing like I was. Do you take it to a shop and have them pull the tank, or do you pull the tank yourself, or pull the box, whatever? You know, my situation here, the Power Wagon comes with a whole bunch of extra skid plates underneath the fuel tank and everything. Plus I got these white knuckle sliders that have their bolts going in, and I carry a bunch of crap in here. I carry a compressor, full 37 spare, an oxypropane torch, and lots of crud. So I had to empty my bed out. And I've seen on the forums people try to say that, well, if you cut the bed, you're a hack. Well, you know what? I don't regret it a bit. Not one bit at all. There's my pump. There's the new one that's going to go in. And it was the easiest thing in the world to get to. Simply use a Sawzall. You take one of these high spots and you start working on that, and you get into it and you just work back. You have to be careful. No stuff sticks up. You don't want to get that. But I think these things ought to come with a factory access hole here in the bed. And let me explain how I did it real quick. The reason why I came back so far is there's a brace underneath here. You see that? That brace kept me back a little bit, but I'll have no trouble getting that pump out of there. So to tell you where I dug it, here's the middle drain in the bed. And by the way, this here says diesel on it right there. So I think these tanks are the same for a gas or a diesel, whether you got a 3500 or 2500. I think the pump is going to be in the same place, whether you got a rambox bed or a regular bed. So okay, so here's the middle. Here's a low spot. You go to the next low spot. Crowd the inside. So that's about 4 inches from here to here. Then to come over, you come over 6 inches, and then you cut over 12. Then you cut 8 inches this way, and another 12. And this stuff is so flexible that all you got to do is I'll bend it back, over bend it to where it's nice and level. Then I'll pull it up a little bit, and then I'll come in here and put a plate in here that goes probably about that big, and I'll have some screws holding that plate on, and then I'll screw that down to the plate, and it'll be just as good as new. You know what? And if the bed drains a little bit through here, who cares? But I'm telling you what, you get an air hose in here and blow this out and take these clips out. It'd be the easiest thing in the world to put a fuel pump in here. So don't stress it if you got a 4th gen Ram that needs a fuel pump, gas or diesel. Just come out 6 inches, go 12, go 8, another 12, and enjoy putting in an easiest fuel pump you ever put in. Take care. I hope this helps you out.